Friends, in today's video, we will find the values of the trigonometric ratios of some useful angles. Sometimes we will write CSC instead of cosec. CSC. We take C, S and C from cosec for the abbreviated symbol. Now enjoy the animations for cosec. We will note that a quantity that is infinitely great is denoted by the symbol of infinity, or infinity is the symbol for a not defined term. In other words, a number infinitely large is denoted by infinity. We will find the values of 6 ratios for the angle of 0 degree. Similarly, we will find the values of trigonometric ratios for the angle of 30 degree. And then 6 values for the angle of 45 degrees. We will also find 6 values for the angle of 60 degree. And last, we will find 6 values for the angle of 90 degrees. Hence, we can find 6 values for each angle. That is total 30 values for 5 angles. Friends, we will discuss the value of the ratio of each angle one by one. But first, a quick look at the introduction to Magic Sir. Hi friends, I am Magic Sir of Mathematics with Magic Methods. This is our magic board. I will help you to improve your knowledge of mathematics. Look at the speech bubble. Magic Sir will use it to discuss important formulas, hints and points. This is our thought bubble. It is our brain. We will use it to make verbal calculation in our mind. I will take you on an exciting journey of trigonometry, calculus and geometry. Are you ready? Let's start. Now we will find the values of the trigonometric ratios of 45 degree. In triangle PQR, measure of angle Q is equal to 90 degree. We know that the sum of three angles of any triangle is 180 degree. That is P plus Q plus R is equal to 180 degree. But we have given measure of angle Q is equal to 90 degree. So the sum of the remaining two angles is 90 degree. That is P plus R is equal to 90 degree. If we take angle P is equal to 45 degree and P plus R is equal to 90 degree, then it is clear that angle R is equal to 45 degree because 90 minus 45 is equal to 45. So it is clear that angle R is equal to 45 degree. Is it clear? If not, look at the speech bubble. We know that P plus Q plus R is equal to 180 degree. We have P is equal to 45 degree, Q is equal to 90 degree. The sum of 45 degree and 90 degree is 135 degree. Therefore, R is equal to 180 degree minus 135 degree. That is R is equal to 45 degree. So angle R is equal to 45 degree. Now it is clear that angle R is equal to 45 degree. We have angle P is equal to 45, angle R is equal to 45 degree. Both are same. So angle P is equal to angle R. But we know that the sides opposite to equal angles of a triangle are equal. The sides opposite to equal angles of a triangle are equal. The sides opposite to angle P is QR. Side opposite to angle P is QR and the side opposite to angle R is PQ. Side opposite to angle R is PQ. So we can write QR is equal to PQ. Let us take QR equal to PQ is equal to A. So we put PQ equal to A and QR equal to A in the figure. Now we have to find PR, hypotenuse PR. Using Pythagorean theorem, we have PR square is equal to PQ square plus QR square. But PQ equal to A, QR is equal to A. So we put PQ square is equal to A square and QR square is equal to A square. Adding these two terms, we get A square plus A square is equal to 2A square. Taking square root of both sides, we get PR is equal to root 2A. So we put PR is equal to root 2A in the figure. So we can find trigonometric ratios either of angle P or of angle R. But we find the trigonometric ratios for the angle R. We have sin R is equal to PQ upon PR by definition. We put R is equal to 45 degree and PQ equal to A. PR is equal to root 2A. So putting R is equal to 45, PQ equal to A and PR equal to root 2A, we get sin 45 degree equal to A upon root 2A. Simplifying, we get sin 45 degree equal to 1 upon root 2. We know that sin theta is the reciprocal of cosec theta and cosec theta is the reciprocal of sin theta. So cosec 45 degree is the reciprocal of sin 45 degree. So the reciprocal of 1 upon root 2 is root 2 upon 1, that is root 2. Hence cosec 45 degree is equal to root 2. Hence we have find two values, sin 45 degree and cosec 45 degree. Now we have cos R is equal to, by definition, QR upon PR. We put R is equal to 45 degree, QR equal to A and PR is equal to root 2A. R equal to 45 degree, QR is equal to A and PR is equal to root 2A. By simplifying, we get cos 45 degree equal to 1 upon root 2. We know that cos theta and sec theta are the reciprocal of each other. That is, cos theta is the reciprocal of sec theta and sec theta is the reciprocal of cos theta. Therefore, sec 45 degree is the reciprocal of cos 45 degree. Reciprocal of 1 upon root 2 is root 2 upon 1, that is root 2. Hence we have find sec 45 is equal to root 2. Now by definition, tan R is equal to PQ upon QR. We put R is equal to 45 degree, PQ equal to A and QR equal to A. See, R is equal to 45 degree, PQ equal to A and QR is equal to A. So A upon A, simplifying we get 1. Therefore, tan 45 degree is equal to 1. But we know that tan theta is the reciprocal of cot theta and cot theta is the reciprocal of tan theta. So, cot 45 degree is the reciprocal of tan 45 degree and we know that reciprocal of 1 is 1 itself. So, cot 45 degree is equal to 1. Hence, we have 6 values for 6 trigonometric ratios for the angle of 45 degree. Look at the table of the values for 6 ratios of angle 45 degree. Try to remember this table. Friends, if you like my methods to teach mathematics, then like my videos. If you have any questions regarding trigonometry, comment in the comment box given below. I will try my best to help you. Magic Sir will wait for your comments. Please try to remember these 6 values of angle 45 degree. Now enjoy the animation. Sin 45 degree equal to 1 upon root 2. Cos 45 degree equal to 1 upon root 2. Tan 45 degree equal to 1. Cosec 45 degree equal to root 2. Sometimes we write CSC instead of cosec. So CSC 45 degree equal to root 2. Sec 45 degree equal to root 2. And finally cot 45 degree equal to 1. Friends, the best way to learn trigonometry from Magic Sir is to watch the video till the end. Then mute the audio and enjoy the video with PowerPoint animations again. We have obtained the values for 45 degree angle. It takes about 10 minutes for 30 degree angle and about 10 minutes for 60 degree angle. As the length of the video increases, the video becomes boring. So we will learn the values of trigonometric ratios of 30 degree angle and 60 degree angle in next video. I will upload second part of this video after 3 days. Wait till then. Look at the screenshots of next video.